In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Notion plan: free, plus, business, or enterprise. Let's break down Notion's 4 pricing tiers and help you pick the best fit. Notion bills per member, and the plans are free, plus, business, and enterprise. The free plan is designed for individual use. It includes a 1,000 block limit, which means you can create up to 1,000 pieces of content like text, images, or to-dos, a 5 megabytes file upload limit per file, and 1 week of page history so you can restore recent changes. It's perfect if you're just getting started or managing your personal notes and tasks. When you're ready to collaborate, the Plus plan is the next logical step. It starts at $10 per user per month, or $8 per user per month if billed annually. You get unlimited blocks and unlimited file uploads, a 30-day page history for better version control, and the ability to invite up to 100 guests to collaborate. Guests are great for clients, contractors, or stakeholders who don't need full team membership. If you're looking for integrated AI and more advanced teamwork features, consider the business plan. It starts at $20 per user per month, or $18 per user per month when billed annually. Business includes everything in Plus: a 90-day page history, unlimited Notion AI access with external source integration, and private team spaces to keep departments or projects separated and secure. If your workflows involve tools like Slack or GitHub and you want AI to summarize, draft, or analyze across connected sources, business is a strong choice. For large organizations with stringent requirements, the enterprise plan is built for scale. It includes everything in business, plus unlimited page history, advanced security and admin controls, HIPAA compliance, and more guest seats. This tier is ideal when you need robust governance, detailed permissions, and enterprise-grade support. A few key differences to keep in mind: Notion AI is fully included on Business and Enterprise, and limited on Plus. Page history grows with each tier: 1 week on Free, 30 days on Plus, 90 days on Business, and unlimited on Enterprise. File uploads are restricted to 5 megabytes per file on Free, while all paid plans allow unlimited uploads. Guest access starts on paid plans, with Plus allowing up to 100 guests and Business and Enterprise offering more. For billing, you can pay monthly or annually, with a discount for annual payments. Plans are billed per member. For the most current pricing and details, visit the pricing page on notion.com/pricing.